Hello everybody. Welcome to the video. I want to start off by saying that today we're gonna be doing some repairs on this presumably 1950s, what I've been told, on this beautiful pivot polisher.
So let's take this time and get started on the restoration. Okay, so there's an issue. So when I was getting ready to make the pulley system for this pivot polisher, which I'll show photos of it right now here. These are reference photos that I got from Google, and that's how I was able to make the parts that were missing for this pivot polisher. The aluminum threads and like the aluminum attachments that were supposed to go into my my lathe, so that way this could fit onto my lathe and then I can use it as a chuck, because it is. They sheared off because they were soft, they were aluminum. And I knew this was going to happen. This was just a quick part to make. This was meant to be a temporary chuck, so that way I can afford a better one in the future, one made out of steel. This is also aluminum, but things didn't work out like it should, and yeah, this broke before I can finish this project. So this is going to be a part 2. I'm going to take it to a friend of mine. His name is Julio. He is a hobbyist machinist, and he more like a lathe operator than a machinist per se, but he does a lot of stuff. And he's gonna help me finish this pivot polisher, which, by the way, so far we've made the brass bracket and then the adjuster here with the screw we made, and then we made the new screws. So they're very solid. They're stuck on. They're not gonna move. They're not going anywhere, which is great. And then I was trying to do a make another set of wheels so that way I could run the pulley system here, like that you saw in the reference photos. So yeah, sorry guys, this is gonna have to be a 2-part video, but we'll finish this in the second part, so don't you worry guys. And yeah, sorry for disappointing everybody. And yeah, right here you can check out my video series that's called Curiosity Cabinet, where I showcase basically cool stuff that I found. This was also part of it, and I'll be explaining more information about this if you saw my last video about this pivot polisher. It's in that series, so here it is. And I have here another video that I made about fixing my tailstock, because like I said before, my tailstock was broken and I had to fix it, and then I had to make a drill attachment for it, which I was gonna use for this project, but chuck broke, so here it is. Here's the video here. And yeah, apologies for everything. But yeah, this is gonna be a part 2. And yeah, well, thank y'all for coming, and hope to see you, if not this month, within July, so to speak. So yeah, thank y'all for coming, and I hope you have all a wonderful day. Bye bye.